here's the trick to opening this. All you gotta do is just bend it. And then it splits right out. You don't even have to cut it. All you have to do is just bend it, because this part is inside of the cardboard box. So $10. Husky. Lifetime warranty. It's a Husky light. 500 lumens. Alright. It tells you the runtime. We'll get to that in a little bit. And it comes with 3 AAA batteries. Alright, you guys, so we in the basement. And so this is the high mode. Alright, you could tell with that. Now if you do gentle press, if you do a hard press, it turns it off. Hard press, turn it on. Gentle press, you go into different modes. So if you hit a gentle press again, see how I just go to the regular light, hit the gentle press. Now we have a spotlight where it does more light coverage, but it's still on high. Gentle press, it does this flashing mode. I don't know who really uses this mode, but if you use this, this may be good for you. If you use it, I don't ever use this mode. So gentle press. Now it stays on the flashlight. Gentle press it. So you go from spotlight to just the regular beam light, but this is a low mode. Okay. High, I think, no, it's still low mode, I think. Let's see. Yeah. All right, so this is high mode. All right, so there's no turning. There's no turning with this flashlight. It's just pressing the power button, but not a hard press, gentle press. Now, yeah, that's a low mode right here. I probably will never use this mode. High mode. And yeah, this is the mode that I will be using. So you can see the difference between low and high. Like I said, when you want to go from different modes, you press gently. You still got to press in, but you press gentle. Don't do a hard press. All right, and that's it with this Husky flashlight. Lower the prices some more, but $10 for 500 lumens is not bad. This is good just in case, you know, you got a storm, or you're working on your car, you're doing something where you have no access to any light. So like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy y'all Black Friday sales.